Do you want to control your garden via smartphone, but aren't sure which system to use? Gardena offers two different solutions to control garden watering and lawn mowing by app: the Gardena Smart System and the Gardena Bluetooth devices. In this video, we will compare the similarities and differences between the two options. Whether you're just looking for help watering your balcony plants, tending your small urban garden, or want to automate the work in your large suburban garden to have more time for family and friends. When making your purchase decision, consider the following three questions. Question 1. Are you just looking for a simple automation, or do you expect intelligent functions? They take, for example, weather data and smart home integration into account. Question 2. Do you want to control a single device or multiple areas and fields of application in your garden, such as a robotic mower and an irrigation system? Question 3. Do you want to control your products by app from within the garden or from anywhere in the world via the internet? Bluetooth is perfect for automated individual devices that can be set up and controlled via app within the garden. On the other hand, the Gardena Smart System is an intelligent system that relies on multiple communicating devices in the garden, connected to the internet via the Smart Gateway, which can be controlled from anywhere. To change Bluetooth device settings, you need to be nearby and use the Gardena Bluetooth app. It's quick and easy to set schedules for your devices and access a detailed history of mowing and watering cycles over the last 7 days. The advantage is the direct connection between smartphone and product. You do not need any additional devices, and you don't have to create an account. The Smart System, however, uses the Smart app and an internet connection and can be controlled from anywhere, even on holiday or from the office. This internet connection provides access to real-time and location-based data, such as the weather forecast to skip watering cycles if necessary, and sunrise and sunset times to optimize mowing or watering schedules. The Smart System also features the integrated plant library and the AI-based Lona features of the Smart Robotic Lawnmower for garden mapping, location tracking, and zone management of your lawn. To use the Smart System, you need the Smart Gateway, which you connect to the internet via your router. The gateway is included in all Gardena Smart sets. Both the Gardena Bluetooth app and the Gardena Smart app are available for free in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. If you only want to automate a single part of your lawn care or garden watering and control it conveniently via app while you are in the garden, a Bluetooth product is an excellent choice. But if you want to control your garden via the internet, independent of location and with customizable options for optimal garden care, the Smart System is the perfect solution.